Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Soumya this side, and please subscribe me guys if you have not already subscribed. Your one subscription means a lot to me. And in today's video I am going to do the next hands-on for us for service agent customization with prompt builder. So in the previous one we just created a prompt template. So now we are going to connect that prompt template with a custom agent action in agent builder. Okay, so let's start. First of all, they are saying that there is a pre-work that in your Einstein AI enabled trial org enable agent force. Okay, so since we are trying to connect it with agent, right, and we have to create a topic. So first of all, what we will do that we are going to switch on the agent force agents, click the agent force toggle and verify, click the enable agent force default. Okay, so let me launch my org and let me okay, let me see if it is the same org. Yeah, okay, it is the same org. And then I am going to go here on agent force. Okay, so agent force agents, and here I am going to turn this on. It's taking some time. Yeah, so first of all I'm going to turn on this agent force agent, and then the other one is this default agent. So enable the default agent, so I am enabling this. Okay, so both of this is enabled, and now they are saying that we have to create a agent topic for the Coral Cloud Experience agent. Okay, so where is the Coral Cloud Experience agent? It is here, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, and I'll move it here. Now what we have to do is that we have to create a topic. So we do it in builder, right? So we have to go inside builder, and the name of the topic is this. Okay, so I will say open in builder. Okay, and I will dismiss it, and I will say new topic. And so this is the description. So classification, description, and then there are three instructions. Okay, so I will do it next, and I will say API name. Okay, classification, description is this, so copy this. Sorry, I copied the scope also, I think. Yeah. So I'll copy this. Okay, and then the scope, copy the scope. Okay, and then these are the three instructions. So first instruction is this. Okay, then we will add instruction, and the second instruction is this. Okay, so second is this, and then again we will add the instruction. So the third instruction is this. Okay, so I have added these three instructions. Now we will click on next. Okay, now they are saying create a topic, right? So add actions, get customer detail. Okay, so get customer. Oh, we don't have it. Wait, get cases. uh, Wait, get customer detail. Yeah, I don't see it back. Mm, okay, let me do next again, and let me search by verify customer, identify customer. I don't see this here. Detail, get policy details. Okay, wait. So they are saying add actions, create an action, add action, get customer detail, create an action for the pre-arrival guest experience topic. um Okay, so I am not able to see here, but I'm just going to click on finish here. Okay, because I cannot see. Now they are saying that we have to create action for this. Okay, so now I am inside this, and let's go to this topic action, and now we have to create a new action. So they are saying that action type is prompt template, and the reference type is pre. Okay, so action type is template, and the reference type is pre-arrival guest. Okay, and then this is the label. Instructions are this. Wait 1 minute. I'll copy this. The label is already here actually. Okay, now I have to copy the instructions. So this is the instruction. uh, okay, and now what they're saying is show loading text is unchecked, so I'll uncheck this one. And then they're saying input instructions, input instructions and conversation, show in conversation, check. Input instructions are this, right? And then they're saying show in conversation is here, so I'm going to check it. Okay, now finish. Okay, so I finished it, and now you can see that here it is pre arrival guest welcome. Okay, so let me check this challenge. Now, there was one problem that I was not able to see this get customer detail, right? So we will see that what's happening. Okay, firstly, let's check this challenge and let's see that if we get any error in this. Please use this time to subscribe my channel, guys. Your subscription means a lot to me, and please help me in reaching my 1,000 subscribers so that I can, come up with more videos for you. Okay, so they are saying that we cannot find the get experience details action. Make sure it has been created and has an API name of get customer details. Okay. Wait. Okay. I think they are. Uh, Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Get customer details. I think maybe they're asking us to open to sorry, create it, get customer detail. Let me see here. No, no. Okay, then let me see it again. Okay, I'll just refresh it. I'll just reload it and let me try again. Okay, so now what we have to do here, right? In the pre-arrival this, okay. So I'm going to go on edit here, and I'll go on this topic actions. Okay. Okay. New asset library. Get customer. Yeah, I don't see it here. Get customer details. Okay. After seeing a lot, so I was not able to see here the get customer detail. So what we will do is we are going to like we what we will do that, because we don't have it here already, with which ideally we should have, right? So what we will do that we will go in flow and see that if we have some get customer detail or not. So for that, I'll just create a new action type. Okay, since if you are getting get customer details, guys, use that. In case you are not getting customer details, only in that case you do this additional step. Okay, so what I am doing, that I am creating an agent action. Okay, and I am selecting here flow, and in flow I will select this get customer details. Okay, so here I get the get customer details, and like I will just leave everything as it is. Okay, wait, enter loading text. Okay, so okay, now let me finish this. Okay, so this is finished now, and now I can see this. Okay, so now I can see, if I will go here inside this, and then I'll go in topic name, then I can see the get customer details. And so this additional step you have to do only if you are not getting the get customer details when you are searching from this add from asset library. Okay, so now let's check that if we have completed or not. Let's see. It is taking some time. Okay, yeah, so we have done it. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and please subscribe me, guys, if you have not already subscribed. Thanks for all your love. Bye bye.